It is the easiest freaking way to brew your coffee. So we're gonna take something like 35 grams for like 1 clever. Come here, buddy. I don't know about you, but personally I really like acidic coffee. I like sour things mostly. So yeah, the temperature for this recipe is 98 degrees Celsius. As usually we use paper filters. Why I actually love clever, it's because it's like, it's immersion. So yeah, we have 35 grams of coffee, water is 98 degrees Celsius. We're gonna brew it for 2 minutes, from 1 second till 30 seconds. We need to fill the clever like full, and then wait till 2 minutes. We're waiting for the kettle. I freaking love this meditation. A mug, and I'll just wait until 2 minutes. I have my cupping spoon for sure, just because we need to try. And I hope everybody knows what's the most important part in trying the coffee. Mainly grapes, I don't know, I feel them like most. And that's how a perfect morning should begin.